connect to the Android multimedia system for the Ford F-150 2013-2014 low option. Okay, first of all, we connect the original unit, which is, you can see the camera, rear camera here. Then you put the gear on the R. Okay, you will see the camera which shows here. Then by the tester, you will find the video cable by the tester. Okay, you test the cable one by one to find the video. When it's connected by tester connects video, it will show on the display here. Then the below the wire video, it is for the negative. Okay, then you remove the connection. When you find the connection video and negative, okay, you join the RC wire which is come from the behind the DVD. You connect it to the camera, rear camera. Okay, green for the video and the black for the negative. You will join, then video you connect to the main headrest, the Tesla one.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.